This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can change the display zoom on this drone. So to start, launch your device's settings and enter the control category. Here, the second selection that you'll see is the display zoom, and you can switch it or select it between standard, that's what it looks like, and large text, which will noticeably increase the interface elements so they will be way more visible, way better. You will add more readability to them, but at the same time you will sacrifice some useful space for it. So your viewfinder will shrink a little bit visually at the very least. Not that it will affect the recordings or shootings in any tangible way, so don't worry about that. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.